Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Miss Gurmeet from Vidya Bal Bhavan Public School, your social science teacher. Let us study social science. Students, can you students tell me that in which country are we living? Yes, we are living in India. And when we talk about a country, it is having many parts, many divisions. Now what are those parts? Those parts are the states. So today we will learn the name of the states, their capital and the union territories. Let us start. So the topic for today is related to states, capitals and union territories. Now, how many number of states do we have? We have the states that we have are 28. There are 28 states in our country. Then union territories, there are 9 union territories in our country. Yes, so there are 28 states in our country and there are 9 union territories in our country. Now we will discuss the name of the states and the capitals. Let us start. We will discuss half of the states in today's class and half of the states in the next class. So let us discuss about the states. The very first state is Meghalaya. The capital of this state is Shillong. Then Mizoram. The capital of this state is Esbon. Nagaland. The capital is Kohima. In the case of Odisha, the capital is Bhubaneswar. In the case of Punjab, the capital is Chandigarh. Now, we can also look at the map to understand this. Yes, so we can look at the map. You can see Meghalaya, here the green portion. Then Mizoram, which is here located. Then we have Nagaland. You can see Nagaland is located here. Then we have Odisha or Orissa located here, and then we have Punjab. Like this, you can see the location of the states also. The next we have is Rajasthan, and the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Then we have Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, the capital is Chennai. For Telangana, it is Hyderabad, and for Tripura, it is Agartala. Then, if we look at the map, we can see some of the states, that is Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, then here is Tripura. Like this we can see. We can also look at Sikkim. Yes, now the another 3 states, that is Uttarakhand, the capital is Dehradun. Then in the case of Uttar Pradesh, the capital is Lucknow. And in the case of West Bengal, the capital is Kolkata. Now we can see Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh is located here and West Bengal is located here. Yes students, now we will discuss about the union territories. The first union territory that we have is Jammu and Kashmir. Then we have Ladakh, National Capital Region Delhi, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Then we have Chandigarh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Puducherry and Lakshadweep. Now, some important facts that are related to different states. What are they? The hottest state of our country is Rajasthan. You can see this is the hottest state, has a very high temperature, has a very hot climate and has no vegetation. The largest state of our country is Rajasthan. You can look at this picture also, and Rajasthan comprises of 10% of the area of the total area of our country. 10% of the land is with Rajasthan. The smallest state of our country is Goa. You can see the picture of Goa. Then the crown of India. The crown of India is Jammu and Kashmir. Because what is the crown? Crown basically makes us feel proud about something. Jammu and Kashmir makes us feel proud. It has mountains, it has rivers, it has plains, everything. And it beautifies the country. So Jammu and Kashmir is the crown of our country. Then cone of India. Yes, if you look at the map, Kanyakumari is at the southern part, and this portion is also bending. So this is the cone of India, the Kanyakumari. Yes students, now we will discuss about Punjab. Punjab is very much famous for its food and religious diversity. So it is very much famous for the food and the religious diversity. You can see the picture. This is Golden Temple and devotees are there. They are worshipping God. Now Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is very much famous for the natural beauty of Himalayas. You can look at the picture. The natural beauty of Himalayas. This picture is of Uttarakhand. So it depicts the beauty of the Himalayas. Now Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is famous for the handicraft. What is handicraft? Handicraft is the artwork which is done by your hand. So Uttar Pradesh is famous for the handicraft. It is also famous for the architecture. So you can see this is a monument, old building which is a beauty of Uttar Pradesh. The architecture, this building is basically located in Uttar Pradesh and tourists also visit these places. So it is the beauty of Uttar Pradesh. Now it is time for revision. Yes students, so now it is time for revision. The topic was states, capitals and union territories. Now there are 28 states in our country. There are 28 states in our country and there are 9 union territories in our country. Now the state and capital. For Meghalaya the capital is Shillong. For Mizoram the capital is Aizawl. For Nagaland it is Kohima. For Odisha it is Bhubaneswar. For Punjab it is Chandigarh. Now for Rajasthan the capital is Jaipur. For Sikkim the capital is Gangtok. For Tamil Nadu it is Chennai. For Telangana it is Hyderabad. And for Tripura it is Agartala. Now for Uttarakhand the capital is Dehradun. And for Uttar Pradesh the capital is Lucknow. For West Bengal the capital is Kolkata. Now the union territories. Jammu and Kashmir, there are how many territories? 9 union territories. Now let us discuss Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, National Capital Region Delhi, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, now Chandigarh, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Puducherry and Lakshadweep. Now we will discuss about some facts related to different states. Let us see. The hottest state of our country is Rajasthan. The largest state of our country is again Rajasthan. It is having the large land area. The smallest state of our country is Goa. The crown of India is Jammu and Kashmir because it beautifies our country. The cone of India is Kanyakumari because it is at the southern tip of our country. Then Punjab, very much famous for the food and religious diversity. Then comes Uttarakhand, which is very much famous for the natural beauty of Himalayas. You can see the picture. Uttar Pradesh, very much famous for handicrafts and architecture. This is a monument, a building. Now it is homework time. So now students, it is homework time. What is the homework? You have to learn the name of the states, capitals, union territories and explore them. You have to learn the name of the states, of the capital and union territories. And you have to explore them. Now what is the explanation? What actually you have to do in your homework? You have to learn the names of the states, capitals and union territories and you have to increase your knowledge regarding the same. What you can do is you can learn about the culture, about the language of a particular state, of a particular territory and increase your knowledge. This is your homework. Yes students, now I request you all to have a pen and copy and please note down this mail ID. Students, for your homework submission, for any query or doubt and for feedback, you have to mail it up on this mail ID. This is vbbshakkalpuronlineclasses@gmail.com. Again, I am telling you, I am giving you few seconds to write down. For homework submission, for queries, for feedback, vbbshakkalpuronlineclasses@gmail.com. So students, this is enough for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. For homework submission, for any query, for feedback, you have to mail it up on which email ID? That is vbbshakarpuronlineclasses@gmail.com. Thank you.